A lot has changed in PowerPoint around reading order since last time I made this video, so I wanted to come in here and show you how it has changed. I'm going to show you Mac and PC side by side so that you know what the differences are. On the left, I have Mac version. On the right, I have PC version. What is reading order? Well, it's the same as tab order, and it is how the screen reader will announce the things on the slide as you tab through it. And this applies both to while you're designing it or while you're reviewing somebody else's presentation. So here in Mac side, how do I get to it? The fastest way for me to get to the accessibility ribbon is to click that thing down in the bottom that says check accessibility. Where in Mac, we don't have a reading order pane. We still don't have a reading order pane. But we have a selection pane, right? So let's pull that one up. And in PC, we have a selection pane, but at the same time, we also have a reading order pane. Let's go over here in the ribbon on PC side, and we will click on reading order pane. Now, what the heck is the difference? Because let me tell you, selection pane and reading order pane, they both are places that you can rearrange the layers on your slide, which also affects how screen readers announce things. This is what you need to know. If you are in the selection pane, the screen reader is going to announce the things on your slide from the bottom to the top. And if you are in the reading order pane, the things on your slide are going to be announced the exact opposite from the top to the bottom. So quick tips here. I'm also going to bring up the selection pane on the PC side, just so you can see the difference in what they look like. Cross-platform, left side Mac, right side PC. Selection panes look almost identical. I mean, you have your show hide icons and your lock icons, which are fantastic. Didn't used to be there on both of these. Yes, they're in different sides, but that's not a big deal. I close the selection pane on PC, and here we have the reading order pane. There are some cool things that happen here. First of all, there are checkboxes next to them. Well, what do those do? If I uncheck something, it's automatically marked as decorative. Let me do this down to here. That means it's automatically marked as decorative when you uncheck it. You don't actually have to go right click into alt text and mark it as decorative. And then it tells you it's decorative after the layer name. Now there are some you'll see with caution signs, and what the heck does that mean? Okay, here that square is not marked as decorative and it has no alt text. So that's the reason that yield sign is there. So I'll just mark that as decorative. If I double click on something in the reading order pane, it actually brings up the alt text box, which is cool. Now this says automatically generated. I want to show you something, how it looks in the alt text. Stop it. In the alt text pane. So I have my little picture selected. Let me go back to alt text. And here you'll see the automatically generated alt text and a checkbox to either approve it or mark it as decorative. Or if I change this, and let me show you how this will happen. Here, we're looking at this one right here, picture 13. If I just go in here and start typing alt text or whatever it is, the yield sign then goes away. That leaves us with these three things here. And we don't have issues now for reading order on slide 1. Now I'm in the reading order pane. I want the alt text of that picture to be read after the title, but before the other text. So I'll drag it into the middle. Now everything is in the order I want it to be for screen reader announcements. Let's check out our accessibility pane. We shouldn't have any more reading order warnings, but we do. Now I want to show you a weird glitch that I need you to be aware of. I'm not going to change the reading order. Watch the check reading order. Okay, slide 1 is a problem. Slide 1 is not a problem. It has this weird thing where it likes to, I don't know, judge what it should be based on where things are on the slide, whether or not that's how you want them to be. So I hope this helps a little bit understanding reading order panes, selection panes, how they work, and what it looks like PC versus Mac. That video might also help you. Go ahead and watch that. I will see you next time. Bye.